Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I've done a product review or an unboxing video, so bear with me while I get back into the motion of unboxing and all the chit chat. Now, this is going to be a voiceover clearly, so forewarning, if you have any issues, please put on some headphones, turn the volume down, adjust the volume to how you'd like it. Now, the product that I have here is a Amazon find. It is called Jewhiteny. I don't know. I will be tagging the picture right here on the screen, and I will be leaving the link in the description box and the comments as well for any of you that will be interested in trying these products. Now, this is a polygel kit. It comes with the nail forms. It comes with 14 pieces of the polygel, different colors. It comes with the UV lamp. It comes with all the tools you need to basically accomplish the styles that you're looking for. The only issue that I have with this product is that the top coat, the base coat, and the matte top coat was very, very tiny. So this is literally, you're gonna get maybe 5 to 8 uses out of this product as far as with the top coats and the base coats. So I do recommend getting your own. You can find your own top coats and base coats on Amazon as well. This UV lamp that came with the kit did come with a charger. It didn't come with the adapter, but it came with a charger. And these are all of the colors that it came with. The dual forms. It came with some files, some clamps to hold your nails down, the slip solution, a brush, everything. Now, if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. I started this channel doing my nails and teaching myself how to do nails and hair and stuff like that. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for staying subscribed to my channel. Girl, it's been a lot going on. Life has just been lifing, okay? However, I wanted to take some time to have some self-care, and I figured why not do this product review, unbox this product. I got this around Christmas time, and I wanted to do some self-care and do my nails, so this was the perfect time to share it with you guys. Now, for returning subscribers, you are familiar with me using polygel in the past, so I kind of have the concept of how to put everything on and how to do it, but of course it's been a long time, so it's always good for reminders and to refresh your mind. Now for me, when I go ahead and start picking out my forms, I don't know why I always pick out like 2 of each nail for both hands, when really you really only have to pick out 1 for each finger on one hand. Like, you only have to pick out 1 set for your hand. Like, you don't have to pick out, y'all know what I mean. You only have to pick out 5. You don't have to pick out 10 for each finger, because if you think about it, they're gonna fit the other hand as well. And these are dual forms, so they're not gonna stay on your hand. You put the product on, you put it under the lamp, and then you can use that same dual form for the next hand if you want to. And personally, I think that you can get about 2 to 3 uses out of them before they get nasty and dirty, and then you can go on to the next set. But this is just me. I don't know why I'm so nervous. This is just me basically measuring my nail to get the right size. And then I'm going to start opening all the products I'll be honest, I don't want to do a voiceover over this whole video. So we already 5 minutes in. So if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on my other YouTube channel, Elegantly Divine, where I will be uploading a lot more personal content if you are interested. And if you have any other products that you recommend me using or trying, please leave them in the comments down below. Like I said, I'm going to leave all of the links to everything I used in this video in the comments down below. Now, when we get started applying the product, instructions tell you to go in with a very thin coat of your base coat, a very thin layer, and put that under the UV light for about 45 to 60 seconds before applying the polygel. Honestly, I have a few different UV lights or UV lamps, one that's a little bigger. So if you don't want this small one, or if you want something a little bigger, you can also find those on Amazon as well. So when I apply my polygel, I go in with a small amount, a very small amount. And with this particular style, I wanted to try to do like this ombre pink, this kind of soft pink color, this soft nude nail. So you apply your polygel, you want to dip your brush in the slip solution, and you don't need the brush to be soaking wet because it's just gonna get messy. So make sure you tap off any of the excess slip solution, and you just want to brush that slip solution all over that product. And this is so that the product will not move around or like mess up when you put it under the lamp or whatever. I go ahead and I add the clamp because it's so much easier having the clamp on there than having to hold it with your 2 fingers. And once the product is on, you are to cure it for about 60 to 90 seconds. And this is how it looks. I'm a simple girl. I love simple nails. Only time I really do color is when I'm like practicing on myself, but not really for like a style or something long term. So whenever you're finished, you want to clip off any of the excess glue. You can either do this with your nail clippers, or you can either do this with your nail clippers or a file or a drill, whatever you prefer. Now, I have never done a review on this drill. Maybe I will one day, but I've had this drill for about 3 or 4 years, and I am absolutely in love. It has not failed me at all. Usually the drills that come in the kits on Amazon, they only last for maybe like a month or 2. This drill has lasted me for like I said, 3 or 4 years, which is awesome. So I go ahead with my drill and I clean around my cuticles to clean up the excess product. And then I go in with my hand file, and kind of just shape everything out and clean everything out. And then also with polygel, you want to make sure you get underneath that nail, because that product is going to build up underneath the nail. So the drill personally just helps you shape it out a little bit better. Once I found it out, I did want to go in with a second coat or a second layer of the polygel, just to thicken it up a little bit more after filing it and getting the shape that I wanted. So I added a second layer and I put it underneath the lamp again. And once it was cured to my satisfaction, I moved on to the rest of my hand. I did also go in with the matte top coat. I didn't go in with like the glossy top coat because I've never used the matte top coat before, so I wanted to see how it would turn out. And honestly, I loved it. Honestly, I loved it. But yep, that's that. And by the time y'all come, or by the time the next clip come in, I'm gonna be done with my whole hand. This process took probably 3 to 4 hours, just because I was doing one finger at a time, and then by the time I figured it out, I just went two fingers, 3 fingers at a time, and I was like, okay. But yep, that is the product. I'll give you guys a better update if you're interested, like after a week or 2 of using this. But for now, this is how they turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're interested in the product, check out the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe.
This shit too decent. Scale of 1 to 10, she a 10 piece. Usually I'm the one with the groovies. Shawty so bad.